So Morgan heated hers up and said, the pickle gets warm and it turns into a gooey mess. It is freshly baked. It really doesn't need the microwave. Yep, Reese's. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Why does that work? It shouldn't work, but it works. That is delicious. That's legit, like literally an 8 out of 10. I'm shocked. I never would have put that. I never would have tried that. That is good. You like it? You want to try it that's not in the microwave? Why don't you try one that has not been in the microwave? Come try this.
Why don't you try one that has been in the microwave and then we can compare and contrast.